I welcome you all this for the second class on numerical solution for PDE. So in this video we are going to discuss about numerical solution of wave equation. So wave equation I have already mentioned in the previous class. This is given by u double x equal to 1 by c square into u double t. So y ಬದಲಿಗೆ t ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Generally we use t, we don't use y. For theoretical part we use y. So dou square u by dou x square equal to 1 by c square into dou square u by dou t square ಅಥವಾ u double x equal to 1 by c square into u double t. That will be the given wave equation, or the standard form it is. So with that equation, some boundary conditions will be given, u of 0 comma t and u of n comma t, and other boundary values or initial values you can say. That's also given. So given that input, we need to find the solution of that equation. So the procedure to find the solution is as follows. Look into the given equation and identify all the values. So mainly you need to identify the value of c, h and k. That are three important parameters you have to identify. Usually h will be given. Sometimes the value of k may be given or may not be. Whenever the value of k is not given, you have to use this relation k equal to h divided by c. C can be observed from the given equation only. Then you have to mark the points of mesh that are x naught and x1 equal to x naught plus h and x2 equal to x naught plus 2h. Xn will be x naught plus nh. Similarly, these are values of x, and then similarly you have to mark the points t naught plus k, that is t1, t2 and tn. ಅಲ್ಲಿ y ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಹೇಳುವಾಗ y ಬದಲಿಗೆ t ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Then third step, you have to form an informative table. This we call as informative table. So x ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಟಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಯು 0,0 ಯು 1,0 ಆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರೀತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಒನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕೀಪ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಯು ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕಮ ಟಿ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಯು ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್, ಅಥವಾ ಯು ಆಫ್ ಎಚ್ ಕಮ ಕೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಎಚ್ ಕಮ ಕೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ದೇರ್, that will be reflected here. So that thing you have to keep in your mind. So second step, you have to mark the points. You have to write the points x naught, x1, xn, t naught, t1, tn. And third point, you have to form a table, a rectangular mesh. We call this as the rectangular mesh, and also we call this as informative table. So you have to write an informative table. That is third step. Fourth step, looking into the values that are given in the data, you have to fill out this first row, first and last column. So initial values ಅಥವಾ ಬೌಂಡರಿ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾವ್ದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಮತ್ತು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಮತ್ತು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಮತ್ತು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಯೂಶುವಲಿ 3 ಫಿಲ್ ಆಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟ್. ಟು ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್, this formula. U of I comma 1 equal to 1 by 2 times of u I minus 1 comma 0 plus u I plus 1 comma 0. ಅಂದರೆ ಈಗ ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ this value will be the average of these two and this will be the average of these two, and whatever the value you want in this second row, that will be average of adjacent values in the previous row. So you should not take the immediate one, you have to take the adjacent values of its previous entry. So if you have to average the motor, it's it. So for the remaining rows, you have to use this formula. U I comma j plus 1 equal to u I minus 1 comma j plus u I plus 1 comma j minus u I comma j minus 1. So using this formula, you have to write down all the values of this table. That completes the solution. So that is what we have to do. We have to write all the approximations. So that is by the solution of, that's what we need to do in the case of wave equations. let us jump to problems on wave equations. So the first problem, A, solve the wave equation. Solve the wave equation dou square u by dou t square equal to 4 into dou square u by dou x square, subject to the conditions u of 0 comma t equal to 0, u of 4 comma t equal to 0, u t of x comma 0 equal to 0, and u of x comma 0 equal to x into 4 minus x. By taking h equal to 1, k equal to 0.5 up to 4 steps. So this is the problem statement. So the solution of wave equation is very much easy, just you have to practice. Solution. So given, see, if you compare this dou square u by dou t square equal to 4 into dou square u by dou x square, the standard equation, you can observe that c square equal to 4. H is 1, k is equal to 0.5. Okay, and also it is given that you have to go up to 4 steps. So since h is 1, x naught is 0. See, to find the values of x, you have to look into these two entries. This will be x naught and this will be xn usually. Now x naught is 0, x1 see, x should vary between 0 and 4, right? x1, so x1 is x naught plus h. So x naught is 0 plus h andre 1. So x1 is 1. x2 means x naught plus 2h. So x2 will be 2. x3 will be 3. x4 will be 4. x4 will be 4. Similarly, you have to go for T0, T1, T2 and up to T4. So T0, what is T0? T0 is also 0. T0 is also 0. T1, that is T0 plus k, and it is given k to be 0.5. So T1 is 0.5, T2 will be 1, T3 will be 1.5, T4 will be 2. So these are the values of what x0, x1, x2, xn, T0, T1, T2, Tn. So the next is you have to draw, you have to form an informative table. So here are the values of x0, x1, x2, x3, x4. x0 is 0, x1 is 1, x2 is 2, x3 3, x4 4. Similarly, here you have to write the values of T0, here it is T0, T1, T2, T3, T4. So T naught is 0, T1 is 0.5, T2 1, T3 1.5, T4 2. Now here you have to write U0 comma 0, U1 comma 0, U2 comma 0, U3 comma 0, U4 comma 0, right? Here must write U0 comma, you should not take 0.5. This is just ಏನಿದು ಆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ನೋಟೇಷನ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ 0.5, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 0,1, 0,2, 0,3, 0,4. It will be U1,1, U1,2, U1,3, U1,4. ಇದು U2,1, 2,2, sorry, U2,2, U2,3, U2,4, U3,1, 3,2, 3,3, 3,4, U4,1, 4,2, U4,3, U4,4. Now I need to identify, I need to determine all these values. Now come to this. It is given that U of 0 comma t equal to 0, also U of 4 comma t equal to 0. U of 0 comma t is 0 and U of 4 comma t is also 0. That means when x is 0, for any value of t, that values will be 0. Then see, all these will be 0. This should be 0, this should be 0, this should be 0, this and this. And when x is 4, so these values are also 0. So generally iveredu column ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ 0 ಇರ್ತವೆ. But anyway you have to look into the boundary conditions given. So ಇಷ್ಟು values ಆಯಿತು. Next first and last column ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, first row determine ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Next, see, using the given initial condition you can write these values. Next, the function will be given generally. U of x comma 0 equal to x into 4 minus x. Here t is 0 to t is fixed to 0. That's why I took t not equal to 0. This is the int to take t not to be 0. Now you can give x any values to find corresponding values of u. Now if you give x equal to 1, u of 1 comma 0, that is u, see, u of 1 comma 0, that is actually u 1 comma 0. It will be what? 1 into 4 minus 1, so 1 into 3, so this will be 3, this will be 3. And u of 2 comma 0, 2 into 2, 4, this is 4. See, you have to write here actually table alli ide ತರ ಬರಿಬೇಡಿ ನೀವು. So you have to write like this: u of 1 comma 0 is 3, u of 2 comma 0 is 4, u of 3 comma 0 is 4, u of 4 comma it is 4 comma 0 na, so 4 comma 0 means it is 0. 4 comma 0 already 0 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. Yes, so I got last column, first column, last column and first row. Now I need to determine second row. For second row, we have to use the formula to determine second row. To determine second row, we use the formula we have u I comma 1. Second row ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ t will be, this will be fixed to 1, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, u I comma 1 equal to average of u I minus 1 comma 1 plus u I plus 1 comma 1 ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. I think that is the formula. let's check ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ. u I minus 1 comma 0 u I plus 1 comma 0, it is not 1, so 1 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 1 ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. u of I minus 1 comma 0 I plus 1 comma 0. okay, you have to take the average of previous entries. So I want this one, average of these two, 0 plus 4 by 2. So u 1 comma 1 will be 2. See, 0 plus 4 by 2, that will be this one. Next, u 2 comma 1, u 2 comma 1, this plus this by 2. This is not 3, 4, this should be 3. u 2 comma 1, that is 1 by 2 into u 1 comma 0 plus u 3 comma 0, average of these two, that will be 3 plus 3 by 2, you get 3 only. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ u 3 comma 1, u 3 comma 1, it will be 1 by 2 into u 2 comma 0 plus u 4 comma 0. what will be u 2 comma 0, u 2 comma 0 4 ಇದೆ, u 4 comma 0 0 ಇದೆ, so 4 times of 4 plus 0, so it is 2. so this one is 3 and this one is 2. finally you have to determine other rows. so first column, second, last column, first row obvious ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರೋಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ, ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು to determine next rows. we have to use this formula. we have u I comma j plus 1 equal to u I minus 1 comma j plus u I plus 1 comma j minus u I minus 1. okay, u I comma j minus 1. so this is the formula you have to use to find next entries. okay, now I want u 1 comma 2, u 1 comma 2, what will be u 1 comma 2? if you use the formula, u 1 comma 2 will be u 0 comma 1 plus u 2 comma 1 minus u 1 comma 0, it will be 0 plus 3 minus 3, so 0. next u 2 comma 2, second row I am okay, third row I am finding. okay, this will be u 2 comma 2 is u 1 comma 1 plus u 3 comma 1 minus u 2 comma 0, ಇದೆಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 2 + 2 -4. So we'll be getting 0 again. u3, 2. u3, 2, it will be u2, 1 plus u4, 1 minus u3, 0. So this will be 3 plus 0 minus 3. So we'll be getting 0. This completes third row actually. Yes, third row. Next, fourth row we have to determine. Fourth row, u1, 3 equal to u0, 2 plus u2, 2 minus u1, 1. That is 0 plus 0 minus 2. It will be minus 2. Next, u2, 3. It will be u1, 2 plus u3, 2 minus u2, 1. That is 0 plus 0 minus 3. But obviously it will be minus 3. Next, u3, 3. That is u2, 2 plus u4, 2 minus u3, 1. It will be 0 plus 0 minus 2. So it minus 2. This is fourth row. So finally, the last row will be u1, 4, that is equal to u0, 3 plus u2, 2 minus u1, 1 equal to, okay, commit a mistake there, I think. u0, 3 plus u2, 3, sorry, u2, 3 minus u1, 2 equal to 0 minus 3 minus 0, that is minus 3. u2, 4 will be u1, 3 plus u3, 3 minus u2, 2 equal to minus 2 minus of minus 2 minus 0. Okay, sorry, it is minus 2 only. So get minus 4. Next, u3, 4, it will be u2, 3 plus u4, 3 minus u3, 2. That is minus 3 plus 0 minus 0. It will be minus 3. So this completes fifth row. So finally you have to rewrite the table where you have to write the values of u. Finally the table will be, I'll write here only. It will be actually what you are going to get. The final table is I am writing here. Here you will be getting 0 1, okay, sorry, 0 3 4 3 0. See, first and last columns are 0, right? 0 0 0 0. Okay. Yes, here you get 0. First row 0. Oh, sorry, first column is 0. Last column is 0. And x into 4 minus x, that is the formula you have to use. X equal to 1 ಆದರೆ 1 into 3 3, 2 into 2 4, 3 into 1 3. Next, average of previous values, 4 plus Okay, 4 plus 0 by 2, 2, 3 plus 3 by 2, 3, 4 plus 0 by 2 is 2. Next, see, for second row we have written, for third row we have to take this entry plus this entry minus this one, this plus this minus this. That is what you have to do. 0 plus 3 minus 3, you get 0. Plus 2 plus 2, you get 4 minus 4, 0. 3 plus 0 minus 3, 0. Come to next. 0, okay, sorry, I have to take this one. 0, okay, sorry. 0 plus 0 minus 2, yes, minus 2. 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0 minus 3, minus 3. 0 plus 0 minus 2, minus 2. So come to this one, 0 minus 3 minus 0, you get minus 3. Minus 2 minus 2 minus 0, minus 4. Minus 3, 0, 0, minus 3. So that completes the table. So that finish up the solution of given equation. So you can write the values directly, but you have to write all these steps. Or if you just write the table, you may not get full marks. So this all steps you need to write, but anyway you write the values within the table easily. Just looking into the previous values, you can write it without any computation. You can write. So let us discuss one more problem. B. Solve numerically. Solve numerically. Dou square u by dou x square equal to 0.0625 dou square u by dou t square, subject to u of 0 comma t equal to u of 5 comma t equal to 0. See, here only you can observe that x lies between 0 and 5. X lies between 0 and 5, and first and last column are 0. U t of x comma 0 equal to 0, so t naught is 0. U of x comma 0 equal to x square times x minus 5. So this helps to write first row, taking h equal to 1 for 0 less than or equal to t less than or equal to 1. So here h is given but k is not given. Solution given 1 by c square equal to 0.0625. That implies c square equal to 1 by 0.0625, that is 16. So c is 4. If c is 4 and h is 1, we need to find k, right? So k equal to h by c. So k is 1 by 4, 0.25. So I got the values of c, h and k, and here x varies from 0 to 5. So x naught is 0, h is 1 ala, so x1 1, x2 2, x3 3, x4 4, x5 5. So ಎಷ್ಟು 5 ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತಾ, 6 ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. x naught ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದಲ್ಲ, and t naught is 0, t1 is 0.25, t2 0.5, t3 0.75, t4 1. So here it is given t lies between 0 and 1. So I have to stop there. So next you have to write informative table. Informative table means you have to write these values: x naught, x1, x2, x3, x4, x5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, sorry. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here the values of t: t0, t1, t2, t3, t4. 0, 0.25, 0.5, 0.75, 1. So obviously u 0, 0, u 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay, sorry, it is 0, 0. X values ಬರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, 1, 0, t value fix ಇರುತ್ತೆ, sorry. u 2, 0, u 3, 0, u 4, 0, u 5, 0. And this is u, don't write 0.25, it is u 0, 1, u 0, 2, u 0, 3, u 0, 4. And next u 1, 1, u 1, 2, u 1, 3, u 1, 4. u 2, 1. Is it okay? Yes. u 2, 2, u 2, 3, u 2, 4, u 3, 1, u 3, 2, u 3, 3, u 3, 4, u 4, 1, u 4, 2, u 4, 3, u 4, 4, u 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4. So as I said already, given that u of 0, t equal to 0 equal to u of 5, t. So what is the conclusion from this? First last column or 0. First and last column or 0. Next, u of x, 0 equal to x square into x minus 5. So u of 1, 0 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? That is u 1, 0. x ಗೆ 1 ಅಂತ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. 1 into 1 minus 5, ಇದು minus 4, so minus 4. u of 2, 0, 4 into minus 3, minus 12. u of 4, 0, u of 1, 0, minus 4, u of 2, 0, minus 12, s, u of 3, 0, 3 square, 9 into minus 2, so minus 18, u of 4, 0, that will be minus 16. So 416 into minus 1, so minus 16. So this completes first row, completing first row. Next, you have to compute second row. Second row, you have to use the formula for second row. You have to use the formula u I, 1 equal to 1 by 2 times u I minus 1, 0 plus u I plus 1, 0. So using this you can compute the second row. Similarly for next rows you have to use the formula. See these values you can compute it later. u 1, 1 you get minus 6, u 2 comma 1 you get minus 11, u3 comma 1 you get minus 9. So that completes the second row. Fourth row and third row and fourth row, that can be computed. For other rows you can use the relation ui comma j plus 1 equal to ui minus 1 comma j plus ui plus 1 comma j minus ui comma j minus 1. So this can be used to compute other values. So here I'll write the values right now. See, as we saw, this will be 0, 0, 0. Actually I have to write the separate table for these values, but to save time I am writing here. So this is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 and 0. Now this row we have computed minus 4, minus 12, minus 18, minus 16. Now I want this one, right? So this will be average of these two, average of these two. So minus 12 by 2, minus 6. Now u2 comma 1, average of these two, minus 22 by 2, minus 11, minus 12, minus 16, minus 28 by 2, minus 14, minus 18, this will be minus 12, minus 16, yes, minus 18 plus 0 by 2, minus 9. I think this not written there. Next, for further rows we have to use a different rule, right? 0 minus 11, we have to add these two, subtract 4, subtract minus 4, minus 11 plus 4, we get minus 7, right? We have to get minus 7 there. Next, come to this, minus 6 minus 14, that is minus 20 plus 12, minus 20 plus 12 you get minus 8, minus 11 minus 9, minus 20 plus 18, minus 20 plus 18 you get minus 2, minus 14 plus 0, minus 14 plus 0, minus of minus, so 16 minus 14 it will be plus 2. Come to this, 0 minus 8, it will be minus 8 only, plus 6, so minus 2, minus 7 minus 2, that is minus 9 plus 11, so plus 2, minus 8 plus 2, that is minus 6 plus 14, 8, minus 2 plus 0, that will be minus 2 only, plus 9, so minus 7, okay, plus 9, right? So plus 7. So come to this, 0 plus 2, 2 plus 7, 2 plus 7, 9, minus 2 plus 8, minus 6, plus 6, plus 6 minus 8, that is minus 2, 2 plus 7, 9, minus of minus 2, so that is just like 4 plus 7, 11, 8 plus 0, 8, minus 2, 6. So this one, minus 2 plus 8, 6 plus 8, oh it is not a minus 2, it is 14, 6 plus 8, 14, so 0, 9, 14, 11, 6. So this is the final table you have to get, this is the final table you have to get. So that completes the solution of that problem. So there is one more problem that can be taken as exercise. So I'll state the problem here. Solve 25 u(x) equal to u(t) at the pivotal points given u of 0 comma t equal to 0 equal to u of 5 comma t. So again here x varies from 0 to 5. X naught is 0, xn is 5. Ut of x comma 0 is 0 and u of x comma 0 equal to 20x if x lies between 0 and 1, 5 times of 5 minus x if x lies between 1 and 5. By taking h equal to 1, compute u of x comma t for 0 less than or equal to t less than or equal to 0.1. So just give you int here. So here c is 5, h1 t, okay, you have to compute k, right? K is 1 by 5, that is 0.2. Then x varies from 0 to 5, so we will be having this one, x naught, x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Y varies, sorry, t varies from 0 to 0.1. So 0, you have to write here 0, 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8, and given u of 0 comma t, see u of 0 comma t equal to 0 equal to u of I comma t, that means this column will be 0. I am just writing the final table. We have to write all remaining steps. And this, for this first row you have to use this formula. So when x equal to 0, it is 0, no problem. When x equal to 1, you have to use this value 20. Even if you take this one, the same value you get, no problem. When x equal to 2, use this one, 5 into 5 minus 3, 5 more 15. X equal to 3, 5 into 2, so 10, 5. 5 ಬಂದಾಗ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ obvious. Next, I have to write the next values. Okay, average of these two, 15 by 2 you get. Next, average of these two, 20 plus 10 by 2, 15, 10, 5. This is actually 7.5. okay, fraction le ಬರೀತೀನಿ, I mean decimal ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Next, 15 minus 20 minus 5, 7.5 plus 10, that is 17.5 minus 50, so 2.5. 15 plus 5, 20 minus 10, 10. 10 plus 0 minus 5, again 10. 0 plus 2.5, so 2.5 minus 7.5, minus 5. Minus 5 plus 10, that is minus, okay, plus 5, minus 15. 5 minus 15 is minus 10. 2.5 plus 5, that is 7.5 minus 10 minus 2.5, it will be 10 minus 5, 5. You can similarly check these values. You get minus 5 only, you get minus 10 only, minus 15 and minus 15, and here you get minus 7.5, minus 20. So this is the table you are going to get finally. So fill out all remaining steps and complete the solution of this problem. So with this I am going to wind up the discussion on numerical solution of wave equation. So next we shall discuss numerical solution of heat equation. Thank you.